Oviraptorosaurs just keep getting mistaken for birds. Way back when Osborn first described Oviraptor from the late Cretaceous of Mongolia, he observed that if all we had was the highly specialized head, we'd be completely at a loss to determine the relationships of this animal. And that was prophetic. Both species of Caenagnathiformes, which were at first known only from jawbones, were considered to be from late Cretaceous birds. Avamimus had a skull which, in Paul's words, was almost unbelievably avian. Even Caudipteryx was at first kind of in this category. It was recovered as the sister taxon to Avialae. Around the 2000s, we had a number of workers point out that we found all these Oviraptorosaurs brooding their nests, heating their eggs with their body heat, something that we otherwise only find in birds. More substantively, features of the upper and lower jaws that are shared between Oviraptorosaurs, true birds, and opposite birds, but not Archaeopteryx, suggested that Oviraptorosaurs were Avialan, and therefore secondarily flightless. In one case, they were recovered in an even more derived position than Confucius ornis, which is not where we place Oviraptorosaurs today. They are considered the basalmost clade of Peniraptors, so they must have branched off before Dromaeosaurids, even though all of our fossil examples are from the Cretaceous. The uncanny convergence between the skulls and jaws of Oviraptorosaurs and birds appears to be a consequence of their beaks doing hard work and just miniaturization, even though some Oviraptorosaurs then turned around and got giant anyway. Meanwhile, Archaeopteryx and other toothed avialans just hadn't modified their skulls as far from the ancestral shape. Oviraptorosaurs are still not entirely safe from secondarily flightless theories, but at least we have learned that a new animal with bird-like anatomy is not necessarily a flightless bird.